The Goodman H6 error code indicates an indoor fan feedback error. This means the HVAC system's control board isn't receiving the expected feedback from the indoor fan motor about its speed. This mismatch, detected via sensors, triggers the error to protect the system from overheating or inefficient operation. Key components involved include the fan motor, which can be PSC or ECM type, the capacitor that powers the motor, the control board that processes sensor data, and wiring with sensors. The error often arises from issues such as a failing fan motor, a blown or weak capacitor disrupting voltage supply, software glitches in the control board, or loose, damaged wiring preventing accurate speed monitoring. Newer Goodman units have enhanced diagnostic tools that provide real-time error logging and predictive alerts. Addressing this error promptly prevents further damage and ensures efficient system operation. Begin troubleshooting by disconnecting power and visually inspecting the capacitor for bulging or leaks. Use a multimeter to check the capacitor's capacitance and the fan motor windings for continuity. If the capacitor is faulty, replace it with an OEM part, ensuring the voltage and capacitance ratings match. Inspect wiring for loose connections or damage, repairing or replacing as needed. For ECM motors, ensure the motor control module is securely connected and functioning. If the control board is suspected, check for firmware updates or consult a certified technician. In some cases, power surges or fluctuations can trigger the H6 error, so installing a surge protector can prevent future occurrences. Predictive maintenance through Goodman's smart thermostats or mobile apps can also proactively identify potential issues before a full failure occurs.